There will be no video this week except for this video.
So this one's going to be a little short and sweet, just like me.
Yeah, there are two reasons why we're not doing our project video at Picacho Peak State Park, and we're going to tell you all about it, and we're going to tell you a little bit about what's going on here. So stick around.
So Phil is still a little gimpy in his half cast.
Can't edit well.
Doesn't get it off for a couple more days. And editing a video does take quite a bit of two-handed efforts, and he doesn't trust me to do any of the editing. So we're gonna do a short and sweet one for you.
And so here's reason number two. And this is funny because back in the summer, Shar had found something on Facebook, and she looked at it, and the rest is history. So you tell your little piece and I'll tell mine.
So I was on Facebook just going through my feed, and I saw this advertisement from a casting company that said that they were looking for full-time RVers traveling the country who also had an annuity. That was just a trifecta weirdo, so I thought that kind of piqued my interest, and I applied. But I sent the same link to him and I said, you should apply too.
Okay, I'm not exactly that trusting. I see something on Facebook, I'm going to want to double check and research to make sure that this isn't some crazy scam out of some spurious country somewhere. So I did the research, and then I realized pretty quickly that O'Connor Casting is a legitimate casting company. I found their website, I looked at the link, and it was all good to go. And so she asked me to apply as well, and when I applied for this, I added a whole bunch of photos of what we do for a year to volunteer. 3 days later,
we got a phone call and an email saying that they thought we would be perfect for this. It did take quite a while, so a couple of months later they said, congratulations, you're accepted.
Yeah, Alliance Bank has an article, and they're doing Alliance income for a lifetime. They're really pushing the importance of annuities. This is an income, they're not selling any products. They are
all about awareness.
All about awareness, and so they're teaching folks, and they selected us because we are retired, we do have annuities, and we were able to retire, and we started traveling the country. So this November, this month, in about a week and a half or maybe 2 weeks,
we are going to be in a branded content article for Alliance Bank or Alliance for Lifetime Income. We're not exactly sure how it's going to be branded, in Travel and Leisure magazine.
So make sure you find that online or you grab it.
And you can bet when we get the link, we're going to be sending it.
We're going to share that on our Facebook page. We're going to share it just about everywhere. But they're going to do that ad. Well, a few days ago,
which is a couple months after we've done the interview.
It's actually 2 days ago. We get an email saying, "Hi, this is Christina, and I work for Alliance, and we are the sole promoters for the Rolling Stones No Filter Tour. And how would you guys like to attend the concert? We'd like to interview you." And there are 4 locations.
And one of them was Las Vegas, there was Atlanta, Detroit, and Austin also. And Nevada was only about 300 miles from us. So we put the dog with his grandma, my mom, and we packed up the camper and off we went.
So we came here. Last night we actually stayed at the stadium, the brand new Allegiant Stadium here in Las Vegas. Right now we are here. We are at Excalibur. And Excalibur has an oversized lot, and so it's not big. Take a look. So we tucked this baby in, yes, 14 yoga poses.
But we did it, and that's all that matters.
We have
a safe, comfortable place to stay tonight.
We're boondocking. We've got our slides out, at least 2 out of 3 of our slides, because we want to leave the other side open for parking. And we're just going to hang out here, and it's a 15-minute walk to the stadium. So that concert's tonight. Shar has never been to a concert.
Never been. 49 years old, and I've never been to a concert in my entire life. And my first one is going to be the Rolling Stones.
And her mom's first concert was the Rolling Stones.
Yep.
And then for me, I went to a couple concerts, but they were always at state fairs and free. So this is my first frontline real concert that I've ever been to. I had an opportunity to go to the Rolling Stones back in the 80s, and I screwed that up. So we're going to go to the Stones tonight. I don't know how much we can share of that concert. We're definitely going to take our phones. But it's an amazing opportunity for us, and that's why we're not doing our video tomorrow morning on Picacho Peak State Park.
So stay tuned for more next week with the full Picacho Peak breakdown of everything we did there. But this weekend, we're going to the Rolling Stones in Vegas, baby.
Hey, thanks a lot for sticking around, and sorry for not getting that Picacho Peak video out. And if you haven't already, please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And remember, don't just RV, our volunteer. See you later.
Bye. Yep, so Phil still has his half cast on from surgery, and editing takes a lot of two-handed efforts, so...
Oops, she just dropped her glasses again.
Again.
If you saw the Balloon Fiesta video,
Hey,
she dropped her glasses.
One more time.
I'm going to have to show that. All right, restart. Beep.